What's up everyone, my name is Faz and welcome back to in my new video. And this video is all about to create progress bar. So like if you are working on dashboard, designing dashboard and designing different type of progress bar like loading bar, so this video is gonna help you a lot. This is kind of tricky concept which I'm gonna teach you right away. You can see over here, this is my progress bar. It has dynamic value, like I can easily change the value by using tags. Just quite simple like this. I can increase or decrease the values, quite simple. Like give you another example like this, so much easier. Like you can handle this thing by using dynamic symbols. So like I have another example, like I created this some kind of fancy and beautiful bar, the progress bar status. So like you can see over here, this is simple bar which I'm using, and this one is icon which I have created by using symbol. And this one is one icon. I can modify like this or like this by using that properties. Like you can see, also change the color. So everything is so much dynamic. And also just go into the symbol. Let's see what is inside this symbol. So I have some brand colors, just icons. It has few values, and this one is progress bar. The main question in your mind, that how it working, what is the hack behind this? So the hack is the auto layout. So if you don't know about the auto layout is a sketch plugin that can help you to make stacks. To it's like a flex box. It's like you can create the pixel perfect grid, and it's so much good. So first of all, what I did, I just create this simple box and add some border radius over here. And once again I create the another color box which is going to fill that bar by using marks. And after this I add the text over here. So what happening when I'm typing the text, it's moving from left. So like if I select it, I convert it into the auto layout by clicking on this icon. Now you can see it's a stacked group. And what will happen, let's suppose if I type something over here like this, so it will move from the left. So like you can see. So let's suppose if I type again some value, so it's moving, and it's a marks with this. So if I marks with this value like this, marks, now like this, if I'm gonna change the text like this, it's moved from the left. So it's quite simple. I'm gonna give you an example that how I created this. So just let's into this sketch with new file. First of all, just copy this bar because I want to save my time, and add some border radius like it has. And after this I'm gonna duplicate this one like this because I want to fill the color, and I want to mark this layer into this layer. And after this I'm gonna add the text in starting of my rectangle. So just select both things and middle align. Okay, that's good, that's pretty good. And after this what you have to do, you have two ways. Like you can simply fill the color over here if you want, or either you can create a new rectangle over here like this and fill the color like gradient or whatever like this, and like yellow color like this. Yeah. And after this what you can do, you can make this into like color yellow like this. And what you can do, you can place this one over this, and just what you can do, just do the marks. And what will happen over here, so it will quite easy for you. Whenever you will change the color, you can just directly change the color of your symbol. It will automatically reflect. So it's quite easy. And after this just select both values. We have both values, and just click on the hack, just click on the auto layout. So now we have auto layout. And second thing, we are going to make this symbol. So like we have progress bar like this, and after this just cut this and edit this symbol and paste inside this bar. So right now you can see this is the inside the artboard, and what we have to do, just simply drag outside and you will notice it's go outside. So what you have to just simply drag inside your artboard and select both values and create marks. Fine. And the last thing what you have to do, just select your stack over here and click on the left. So what will happen, everything start from the left, it will fix in left. And now just come back and just start some value like x. Feeling it's good. So like I can add more value like this. Also the good benefit is of the colors. Like if I change the color, like any other color, if I put like this and just like this, and if I go back and I duplicate this bar, so I can easily change the color. Now see, so it's quite beautiful. See, so I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, so please hit the like button, and if you are new watching to me, please subscribe my channel, hit the red button. Everything is included in description. You can download this file, or even you can download the AutoLayout plugin. So I hope this video is very good for you and you will learn something today, the hack. And also I have an article on this. I found the article on Medium. I'm sharing with you guys, link in description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. See you in next video. Thanks.